Greetings students, my name is Devan Sharma as we have earlier met before. So today I am going to tell you the uses of passive voice. So students, let's start. So in this, first we will write down about present indefinite. And the rule is MR plus verb's third form. Then if we'll talk about the present continuous one, in this we will use is MR plus being plus verb's third form. Then if we'll talk about present perfect one, for this we're going to use has been plus verb's third form. That's it. So this was all about the present tense. Now we will talk about the past tense. So first of all, we'll talk about the past indefinite one. And this we will going to use was oblique were plus verb's third form. That's it. If we'll talk about the past continuous one, so in this we're going to use was oblique were plus being plus verb's third form. So this was all about the past tense. Now let's talk about the future one. So first we will do it future indefinite. And this we're going to use will plus be plus verb's third form. That's it. If we'll talk about the future perfect one, and this we're going to use will plus have been plus verb's third form. That's it. So this was the chart of passive voice. That's how we have to use the passive voice chart. Now there is a question, why we haven't used the future continuous one? Because this is the rare case that we don't use in the passive voice. And same as we will talk about the present, here we haven't used the present perfect continuous one because this is also for the rare cases. And same as for the past one, here also we haven't used the past perfect continuous one because this also comes in the rare cases. So that is all for today guys. We'll meet you soon. And if you want to gain more knowledge, you just have to watch the next video and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much students.